Good day, my people. Now, our brother, Nigeria brother, them now una dey see for this video now. They China country. Yes, the Chinese country, they for China. Now then they so. Maybe they go there, go buy market too, or we no know wetin really happen. But as una see them so, they don't dey stranded. Because China government ask them to comot. Una see the police where they follow them up and down. Then say the hotel room where they lodge. They say make them comot for that room. Then bring all of them. They chase them comot from the room. And as una see them, they carry their load. They waka up and down. As the government, una see the police. They tell them make them comot. Where they won't go now, we don't know. They don't dey stranded. Una know as this coronavirus be now, nobody go fit say they won't help them. And even though now they won't go Nigeria, I'm not sure whether the plane from China to Nigeria still they function, whether they still they go up and down there. But as it is now, all of them, they don't dey stranded. They just they waka up and down. As una see self na inside rain, then they so. They don't know where they go. Wetin go happen to them next, they don't know. Hotel room, they no gree, make them sit down, make them rent again, make them foresee where they go put their head, relax. Now that they waka for the road, they waka up and down, they don't dey stranded. Nigeria now, they no fit come. For China, they shades them comot inside the hotel where they rent. Now that they carry their load up and down, they don't know where they won't go, they don't know wetin go happen again. I bet Nigeria government, this na part of your citizen for another country. Now also they go still also there, they no keep person. I beg my people, no be say una go begin they cause them, wetin they go do there, they go do that. Everybody knows say all Nigerians where they go China, now because of business. Some they even they live there. I beg these people, they don't dey stranded. They need our help. Any little or small help when Nigeria government fit do, make them not just die. Throw away inside this their cold and the situation there. They waka up and down. They no see help. They no know wetin go happen to them. Police, una see say police no gree leave them. Then they chase them. Then they chase them, make them for comot. How they want to come out for China? Reach Nigeria now. Now we no know.
They are chasing us away. They don't even allow us to stay one place. We are just walking on the road. You see, they cannot give us house. They cannot give us hotel. They cannot provide a place we can stay. They are just following us. You see, they are just following us. They don't want us to stay one place. After we have spent 15 days in the hotel, after quarantine us for 15 days, they cannot allow us to stay one place. They didn't give us any hotel. They are still chasing us.
Aisha no never look. The next and the one in this year, what run you? Nandi Garaya. Only any hotel. After that point in time, it's about for 14 days. So, all the thing. Going up on a night, no good outside. So, Mandiga, following the ashes, so no matter. So rest manilo. So you wash your iPhone
So my people, una don't hear wetin that they talk. I beg, if it can't be like say na Nigeria or na only from Africa, this coronavirus for the start, the whole world for just neglect us. Every country for just they pursue us, may they no gree, may any Africa people enter any European or Western world.